Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Dodge Dart. So if you have a Dodge Dart and you need to replace front window motor, let's say on the front left or front right side, procedure will be the same guys. We'll explain what needs to be done to remove and replace that window motor. Quick introduction guys, every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos, and that will be the case with this Dodge Dart, maybe even more than 200 videos. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can, so please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now if you need to buy new window motor, car parts, anything like that guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can find all that for a really good price, fast shipping, and you will not be disappointed guys. So we'll go ahead, show you how to do that. This is a 2015 Dodge Dart, and doesn't matter if it's a 2013, 15, okay, the procedure is the same. So this is the window motor, okay, right here for the front left door, but as I said, front right will be exactly the same way. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll need to remove the door panel, quite a bit of work, and we'll get to the window motor after that. So what do you need to do now guys? Okay, we need to start removing a few things. Okay, we have a few hidden bolts, screws like that, so we can do that. And first we will need to remove the master window switch, okay, in order to be able to remove the door panel. So check it out, you grab a plastic panel remover to pry it up. You have 4 clips. Let's show where the clips are. 1, 2, 3, 4, perfect. And now guys, all we have to do, we have to disconnect our wiring harness. Press in, pull out, amazing, we're done there. So that being said guys, what else we need to do? Okay, we need to remove that cover here with the same plastic panel remover too. Get underneath. Okay, we'll show you where all the clips are guys, so you know what to expect and you don't break things. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 of the metal ones actually stayed here, so we have to squeeze them. One is plastic, one is metal. Okay, I'll go ahead and grab pliers and show you how to get them out. So you can see guys, we got this clip out and we're going to position it on the plastic piece, otherwise you won't be able to install it. We have the metal one, this one may fall in, so we'll see. Yeah, it will go all the way in, so we'll have to remove the door panel to get to it, I think, otherwise I don't think we'll be able to get it out. It's plastic one. I thought it was metal, but it's not. This is a plastic one as well. So if you mess with it, you might be able to get it out, but it may take you a while. So we'll do that when we remove the door panel. But you got the idea. We have another cover right here that we need to remove. And under this cover you will have, okay, another bolt here, screw, and this one looks like it's okay, 7mm. All the tools and parts that we use guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please feel free to check it out. Great, this one is out. Now, what else we have? Under this door handle we have another cover. Okay, and this cover has a few clips, 3 clips, 1, 2, 3. And under this one we have a 10mm. Okay, it looks like it's a 10mm bolt. Let's see how tight that thing is. A little tight. Okay, it's almost out now. It's actually a screw. I don't think it's a bolt, because if it's a bolt it goes way easier than that. Screws usually, well, it is a bolt. I guess it is a bolt. So next guys, we need to get a Torx 20 star looking bit, and we need to remove 2 more screws that we have right there under the door handle, the one that you pull. Now there are 2 designs of door panels on Dodge Dart, but the procedure will be very similar, I think. It will not differ too much. Even though we're demonstrating on the front left, it should work for the front right as well guys. Procedure will be about the same, left and right side, because as you can see, it's practically guys the same door panel. Okay, we just have one more that we need to remove towards the bottom. They're very deep, sometimes hard to see as well. So let's just point the light a little bit. Okay, so we can see, and that way you will know what you need to do, because if you need to remove your door panel, you can damage things if you don't know how to. I've seen people pry, pull, break, clips, all kind of stuff. So you want to avoid that as much as you can, guys. Perfect. Now we get a plastic panel removal tool. We should have only the clips holding that in place. So what we're going to do, actually, we're going to get it between the door panel, okay, and the door itself. And you need to pry. Okay, perfect. Now if any of the clips break, it could happen, guys, especially if they're super tight, or sometimes if they're old, the plastic will be more fragile. We'll have the link in the description of the video below to see where you can buy new ones from. So looks like this one is pretty tight. Okay, came loose now. Okay, let's see if it goes in, up. Now slide it up. And looks like we're hitting somewhere. Let's see if it's in the cover. I think it's in the cover for the mirror. Okay, right here. We should have removed that one. It has only 2 clips. Okay, perfect, came out. And now the door panel comes out, guys. What do we need to do? We have the wiring harness, we have the locking cables here. So we need to disconnect all that. Let me show you now how. Hopefully you will be able to see, guys, how to do that. Okay, because that's not as easy as you think. Okay, this one, we're going to disconnect that cable right there. Okay, let's see what that cable is for. Okay, perfect, this one. Now we have all the room to show you guys how to disconnect the cables for the door handle, because one is a locking cable, one is actually the cable that opens the door. So those are pretty simple, actually. This one, okay, you're supposed to just grab it, okay, and pull it out. It has clips holding it. Then you come in an angle like that and, okay, get it out. Careful not to bend it, because this is easy to bend. Now this one, okay, we need to turn it. Okay, I'll turn it and we'll get a pliers, okay, small pliers, and we're going to push it on each side, or with a screwdriver, one at a time. No. Okay, it started coming out. Okay, it's extremely tight, guys. Okay, comes out, and now we come in an angle and pull it out. Okay, and you can see the door panel came out. Let us show you now where all the clips are on the back side, so you know what to expect. Now you're going to have, guys, okay, one guide here, clips, check it out, one, okay, came loose. Okay, that's okay right here. Okay, that clip. Okay, we need to remove that one, and we need to install it on the door panel. Then we have one there. You have a few different kinds. Okay, on the front. So this is the one that we need to remove. Or let's see how it's going to work now. We might need to get the metal clip remover too. Let me go ahead and grab it quick. So this one, you can see how it's stuck. The white piece is supposed to stay on the door. So everywhere, guys, that the white piece is out of the door, what do you have to do? Okay, you have to pop that thing and install it on the door panel. Okay, like that. Perfect. Now this one right here, okay, it's going to fly away, so you have to be careful. We need to come and get it loose too, if we can. So let's see how that's going to happen. I hate that design. So what we're going to do, okay, let's see if we can pull that clip out, okay. If we pull it out, I wonder if we can go ahead and install that clip on the door. Okay, and see if we can do it here. No, this clip this is stuck, guys, but the two pieces are supposed to separate each other. Ours just doesn't want to. If yours breaks, guys, like ours did, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, but you get the idea, okay, where all the clips are and what needs to be done. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here around the speaker you have 6, 7, 8, 9, those are yellow. You can see 9 clips holding that door panel and a few bolts and screws. So now, what do we need to do, guys? With the door panel out of the way now, you can see that your window motor is located right here. Quite complicated thing. It has kind of like a computer here integrated in it, because it actually, guys, has quite a few wires here. Most of the cars have only 2 wires, positive, negative. This one is way more complicated. Torx 25 star looking bit, okay, like this one here, and we're going to remove 3 screws now. 1, 2, 3. Now, what we're going to do, guys, we're going to grab it and gently shake it a little bit, pull it out. Perfect. Now, it's right here. We need to disconnect the wiring harness. How you do that, you can see on the inside, we have to lift it up a little bit with a small screwdriver. So you can disconnect it. Okay, like that, and pull out at the same time. Window motor is out now. If, guys, when installing that thing, okay, your mechanism tries to drop in, you have to be careful, because if you align the teeth, okay, to go in and then push it in, but if it starts going in, okay, get loose from here, remove the speaker, okay, the speaker right here, front door speaker, access it with your hand and support it on the back, and that way you will install the window motor. But that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.